If you're ambitious, but keep procrastinating the things you know could genuinely change your life, listen carefully. Deep down, you already know your non-negotiables. The habits that would improve your mind, body, confidence, career, your whole life. But instead of facing them, you delay them. And here's the truth. You can't fix what you refuse to face. So stop running from it. Give yourself 48 days, not to become perfect, but to finally become honest with yourself. In yogic tradition, 48 days is called a mandala, a complete cycle where the body and mind begin adapting to a repeated practice. That's why, even in Ayurveda, many medicines are traditionally given for 48 days to let the change fully settle into the system. The same thing happens with habits. Repeat something long enough, and eventually it stops feeling forced and starts becoming part of who you are. Make discipline easier. Most people think disciplined people are motivated all the time. Not true. They simply make good habits easier to begin. If you want to study more, prepare your desk beforehand. If you want to stop doom scrolling, stop sleeping next to your phone. Your environment quietly shapes your behavior every single day. The easier it is to start, the less resistance your brain creates. How good habits actually grow. Let me tell you something I realized personally. I didn't suddenly become disciplined overnight. I just started waking up at 6 a.m. to do 10 minutes of meditation. That was it. But slowly, it grew. 10 minutes became 21 minutes. Then I naturally started working out too. And that taught me something important. Bad habits don't destroy your life overnight. They grow quietly through repetition. And good habits work the same way too. One small action, repeated consistently, starts changing who you are. That's why starting small is powerful. Change your identity. Stop saying, "I'm trying to become disciplined." Start saying, "I am a disciplined person." Because identity changes behavior. When your actions match the type of person you believe you are, consistency becomes easier. A focused person protects their time differently. The goal is not forcing yourself forever. The goal is becoming someone who naturally does the things that matter. How to recover after a bad day. Listen, in case you skip a day, lose focus, or fall back into old habits, don't let your brain convince you that you ruined everything. One bad day means nothing. What actually destroys progress is disappearing after failure. Disciplined people are not perfect people. They're people who recover quickly. So come back stronger the next day. For the next 48 days, face what you've been avoiding. Reduce distractions. Design your environment. Start small. And stop waiting for motivation to save you. Because small actions repeated daily quietly create a completely different life. Subscribe for more tiny mind shifts.